Bago magsimula ang hamon, kinausap ni Kuya ang Dream Team para sa kanilang inisyal na desisyon. At huling hiningi ang desisyon ng teens.
Dahil narinig mo ang apela ng dalawa na kaibigan mo at matagal mo nang nakasama dito. Sino ang tutulungan mo?
Okay po. Kuya, patas po sila sa puso ko kasi mahal ko sila pareho. Mahal na mahal ko silang mga kaibigan. Pero kailangan kong piliin ngayon si Yong kasi naniniwala po ako na yung opportunity na to talagang kailangan to ni Yong sa kanyang estado ng buhay at saka nakita ko naman na sa mga pinakita niya dito sa loob ng bahay from the first day up to the last talagang hindi siya sumuko, talagang nagpursige siya.
Sumunod si Maymay.
Kuya, ang pipiliin ko po ay ito yung taong kasama ko din sa pangarap ko na kung saan ito pa yung taong nakalaban ko nung pagpipilian na kami nilang dalawa. Kahit hindi niya man masabi through sa bibig niya kasi mahirap siya magsalita. Pero ramdam na ramdam ko yung puso niya kung paano siya kadesidido. Pipiliin ko po si Yong.
At huling nagdesisyon si Edward.
All right, this is very hard. Okay, the person that I'm gonna help really is, there's not much separating the two. Because at the end of the day, they're both my brothers and I'd both like to see them inside the house. I can say that out of all the housemates, every single teen housemate, every celebrity and every regular, Young was the one who probably surprised me the most in how much he was fighting for it. Not just in challenges, but in day-to-day life. I also think that regardless of how many people help Christian, I still think he could, even win. There are so many occasions where Christian has blown my mind in terms of how driven he is. So the person I'm gonna help is Young.
I know that it's a hard decision on your part, but let me tell you this. I will be asking for your final decision right before the start of the challenge later.
Okay.
Hey, kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.